Hi lovely people, a warm welcome to you all. In this video, we are going to make a tender, juicy chicken drumsticks coated in flour and fried to perfection until golden and crisp. The star ingredients for this recipe are the chicken drumsticks. You can also use chicken wings if that's what you prefer. So I will start off by washing my drumsticks using water, malt vinegar, and lime. Once it's thoroughly washed, I will pat it dry. Pat the chicken dry to reduce the moisture content using a dry paper towel. Once that's done, I will season the chicken with diverse dry rub. So here I have 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of ground white pepper, a bit of salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, shrimp cube, spicy Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of garlic granules. Once I've added all my dry rub onto the chicken drumsticks, I will make sure it's well coated. To the coated chicken, I will drizzle a bit of oil. This helps the dry rub to stick on the chicken. Let's move on to making the sauce for the chicken. In my small bowl, I just added a bit of light soy sauce, malt vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Both the honey and brown sugar will serve as a sweetener, and 1 shrimp cube. After I have combined all these flavors, I will mix till it's well combined and set it aside. In my skillet, I just added oil for frying the chicken drumsticks. Once it heats up, I will go in with my seasoned drumsticks. Fry for 5 minutes on medium heat on one side and 5 on the other side. Once it's fried for a few minutes, take it out from the oil and let it rest. So this is how the chicken looks. To make the chicken crunchy, I will sprinkle it with all-purpose flour. This is the base required. However, if you want your chicken crispy, use cornstarch and baking powder. While coating your chicken, allow the oil to heat up. So we are going to use the same oil used to fry the chicken in the beginning. Once I'm done coating the chicken, I will double fry them again. Fry for about 5 minutes on each side or until crispy golden brown. At this point, as you can see, the chicken are fried beautifully. I will go ahead and remove them from the oil. This is the outcome of the chicken drumsticks. Let's make it more appealing and flavorful. So I just drizzled a bit of sauce I made over the chicken. And I also had to sprinkle a bit of dried parsley. This recipe is super easy to make and of course is delicious. Give this recipe a try. Thank you and stay blessed.